And then the Prophet ﷺ started to address the Muslims in this great khutbah that he delivered. And then he said, let those who are present take this message to those who are not here. Subhanallah. And that's what the Sahabas did. And that is why we know so much about the Prophet ﷺ today, 14 centuries after, because they did their duty. They passed on what they learned from the Prophet ﷺ. This is his instruction in this farewell khutbah. And this is a lesson for each and every one of us. We come here every Friday. We come here every Friday. Listen carefully to the khutbah. Try to implement it in your own lives and pass it on to others. You should get into the habit that when you go home Friday evening from work, at dinner time with your family, you discuss, tell them about this khutbah today. Today, I went to the Islamic Forum for Jumu'ah khutbah. This is what the Imam said in his message. Convey this to your family, to your relatives, to your friends. You go back to work today after the khutbah, after Jumu'ah. Take something from what we are saying and mention it to your co-workers. Convey this message. The Prophet in another hadith says, بَلِّغُوا عَنِّي وَلَوْ آيَةً. Convey from me my message, even if it is one verse, one statement. This is what we should all strive to do. The instruction of the Prophet ﷺ in his farewell khutbah.